What in the world has just happened to Bitcoin? It got a pullback from $53,000 and we went all the way down to about $42,500. And in the past 1 hour itself, we got a correction of 5.8%. But is this something that has caught you by surprise, or is this something that we were expecting? Stay tuned to our video and find out more details about Bitcoin. What are the key levels of support for Bitcoin now, and what can we expect for the next 1 to 2 days?
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. And if you want to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below. And if you want to become a premium member, contact me on my Telegram, that is given in the pinned comments as well. Now let's jump on to the chart. So Bitcoin is currently at about $47,000, but it went all the way down to about 42,582 to be precise. And this is the Bitcoin index I'm referring to. This is not any exchange. So in some exchanges it could be a little more or little less, but 42,600 approximately is where we reached today, and this in itself was a pullback of approximately about 20%. So a 20% pullback in Bitcoin is not unusual. Okay, so if I have to talk about other altcoins, some of them have pulled back by, Cardano has pulled back by 17% today. Some of the small cap tokens, they have corrected by more than 20-25% as well. So that is very much expected. If Bitcoin is correcting, it will pull down all the altcoins along with it. People may say that Ethereum will flip Bitcoin, something else might be the next Bitcoin, but please mark my word that Bitcoin is still the king. Okay, this is very, very important that we need to understand. Bitcoin is still the king, and it is going to be the king for the foreseeable future according to me. Now, if I have to talk about the key levels of support and resistances, then we need to go to the weekly chart first and just show you that we just tested the 20-week simple moving average. As you can see right here, the 20-week is at about $42,000 and we went all the way down to about 42,500 or 600. So approximately we have tested it. If we get a bounce from it, this will be very, very healthy. Mind you, a test of the 20-week is always necessary. I have mentioned this in the past as well. And if we look left on the charts, we can see that here back in August also in 2020, we got a pullback. Then we went to a massive rally, right? From about $10,000, we went all the way to $65,000. So this was very much on the cards for our members. We were expecting this, and we are already seeing a little bit of buying pressure coming in. But one of the important things that I want to highlight today, apart from the key technicals, is what the whales are doing. Okay, so here we have the top 100 wallets with the most Bitcoin in them. So as expected, the number one is the Binance Cold wallet. But one of the few things that I would like to highlight here is this is not an exchange wallet, right? And this is perhaps the largest individual or institutional whale out there, which has a balance of approximately 108,000 Bitcoin and more than $5.8 billion. What this whale has been doing, this whale actually sold off some of his Bitcoin, actually 1,500 Bitcoins on the 3rd of September at the price of 49,150. Okay, this is what the whales did. Ever since then, he has not been active. He or she, whatever it is, this wallet has not been active. So another big whale is this one, right, which has got around 63,300 BTC in the wallet. And let's see what it has been doing ever since. So this whale, as I mentioned, has got around 63,000 Bitcoin worth of close to about $3 billion. And of late, as you can see, today itself, this whale actually bought 820 Bitcoins at the cost of approximately $51,000. Okay, so what does this indicate? This does not indicate that the whales are selling off. This correction that we got, this was very much expected. This is something that was the market has done to shake off the weak hands and also the higher leverages, right? So the leverage was going on in 20s, 50s, and even some people got about 100x leverages as well, and the market was a little bit too much extended. And for the past 2 weeks we did not see any pullback, right? If we go to the charts here, as you can see, till this time it has been more than around 2 weeks that we did not see any pullback whatsoever, right? So this was actually very, very important that we get a pullback, and we went down straight to the 20-week. Okay, this is absolutely very, very, very crucial, right? Now if I have to talk about the key levels of support and resistances over the next few days, let me go to the daily chart, and let's first take a quick look on the moving averages here on the daily chart. And as we can see, we actually got a support right at the 50-day. We went past the 200-day, but currently it is treating it as a support, as you can see right here. Okay, if this is the 200-day, the red line is the 200-day, which is approximately at about $46,100 approximately. We are getting a bounce of the 200-day, which is a very, very good sign as well. Okay, but here we got a bounce from the 50-day as well. Now if I have to talk about the key levels of support and resistances, let me pull out the Fibonacci. On the Fibonacci, what we can see is we went down straight to my golden pocket right here. Okay, this is extremely important to note that we got a pullback straight to the golden pocket, which is a good sign. We did not break through it. That is actually very, very good, and we are treating it as a support. Now what is important for us to look into is whether we are closing the day above the 78.6, which is at about $46,000 approximately. If we are able to do that, we are well and good. If we close below this, then I think a retest of this zone is definitely on the cards as well. Mind you, this is September and this is expected to be a red month. I have mentioned this multiple number of times on our Telegram channel and on our videos as well. Our premium members were prepared for it. We are buying for our hodling portfolio right now. As I'm making this video, we have been buying. Will we go further south? I don't know. Probably we may go down. If we go down, probably we will buy some more bitcoins and some alts at those levels as well, because we know that this is a correction and this is happening to shake off the weak hands. Okay, if it feels like it's the end of the world, mind you, it is the best time to buy bitcoin, right? And this correction is about 20%, which is very, very normal for bitcoin as well. If I have to talk about the key indicators, then let's take a quick look on the RSI first. What the RSI is telling us, the RSI is actually telling us that there was this divergence which had played out and we got a pullback right here, as we can see. So this was expected. We had discussed this in our earlier videos as well, that we are seeing divergence on most of the altcoins and bitcoin as well, and a pullback is expected. And the divergence was actually on the daily chart and the weekly charts, right? So it was not on the 4-hourly chart. So a strong pullback was actually expected and we got this. Now people might say that it is maybe because of some FUD that is going on around the market or something or the other, but yes, news is always good, but the charts will always tell you the truth. The charts were actually telling us that we were expecting a pullback. Only the matter is that we got a pullback today. It could have happened yesterday or day before as well, right? If I have to talk about the stochastic RSI very quickly, then the stochastic RSI on the daily time frame is actually heading down, telling us that the momentum is currently down. Let's see how it plays out for the next couple of days. Possibly after this correction, we might see some more correction coming into the market, probably a retest of these zones of the golden pocket, or probably going down further south as well. Mind you, the $43,000 and the $42,000 to $43,000 is actually a very, very critical level as well, right? It is not only the Fibonacci golden pocket, but it has acted in the past as a very, very strong resistance when we were below it. We tried breaking above it, as you can see, multiple number of times, but we got rejected, and finally we broke above it on the date of 7th of August. But today we have come down, treated it as a support, and now we are getting a bounce, which is extremely healthy. So according to me, there is nothing to worry about for Bitcoin and other altcoins. Treat this as a buying opportunity. There is nothing wrong in testing the 20-week once in a while and getting a jump from that. Mind you, if we are getting a jump from the 20-week, we might be heading straight to new all-time high in the next 3 to 4 weeks. okay, but September could very well be red month. We can further come down. We may close this month around this $43,000-$44,000 level as well. That is my prediction as well for this month. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself, and please do not panic. Please do not sell off your Bitcoin, because if you are selling off your Bitcoin, the strong hands, the experienced folks are gonna take advantage of this opportunity. So you better stay calm, stay patient. If you want to join our Telegram channel, you can do that by clicking the link below, where we always tell our family members that such kind of a correction is always expected. Treat this as a buying opportunity, have some fiat in your wallet and just go for it. So that's pretty much it about this video. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and smash up the like button, and share this video with your friends and family, and help us to educate the mass, right? Because these kind of corrections are always there on Bitcoin and other cryptos, so need not to panic at all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.